Go to our YouTube channel for more recipes. Please subscribe. Welcome to Steve's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make pancakes with raw oats. We're not going to use any flour, but we're going to use some great ingredients. Let me show you the ingredients. Raw oats, eggs, 2 bananas, raspberry jam, vanilla, cinnamon. The first thing we're doing is you take 2 ripe bananas and you're gonna smash them. Okay, then we're gonna add 2 eggs. 2 eggs. So we are going to use 1 cup of raw oats. Going to use a half a teaspoon of pure vanilla. Vanilla is strong, so you don't really need to use that much because it's going to give you the flavor you want. We're just going to put a pinch of cinnamon. We want to taste the cinnamon, but I don't want the cinnamon to take over the taste. That's it. Now we're going to give it a nice mix. Get all the ingredients to mix together. We put in 2 tablespoons of raspberry jam. So now we're going to give it a mix. Spray with avocado oil. Okay, looks good. Now I'm going to bring down the heat to medium. Oh my God, it looks great. The pancakes look magnificent. You know what it is? I really get excited when I make a recipe and you can eat it every day. Please read the description of the recipe. That way you will get the pancakes to be perfect. So what we have today, we have some pancakes, and you see how we did it. We use oats, we use bananas, eggs, raspberry jam.
Yeah.
You know, it's a lot different from a regular pancake.
Yeah, super healthy, honestly, super delicious, right?
Let's try it first.
Yeah.
You can't say delicious if we don't try it.
Yeah, you're right.
You know what? I think we should take a bite without the maple syrup
Yes.
and see what's the taste there is. So what are you tasting?
Bananas, oats,
And you have the little sweetness for the raspberry jam.
yes.
So actually, you know, you can almost eat it by itself. And you don't need the butter. It's moist.
No, definitely.
I'm gonna try with a little bit of maple syrup. I love maple syrup, so I'm gonna drop a little bit, but I think I can have it without it.
Yeah, I'll just put a few drops.
Yeah.
I think you're right. It's perfect as it is.
You let the pancakes cook slowly, like probably 2 to 3 minutes. Then you flip them and you bring the fire down to low, and then you got a perfect pancake.
Yeah, definitely. These are delicious, and I cannot wait to make them.
Yes, excellent.